Now, here's a really good one pocket bank shot. My pocket's underneath me over here, and it's a very thin cut on the one ball. And most players would think, well, if I bank the one ball over there, the cue ball's gonna go around the table, But if you do a thin cut with lots of draw, I can actually bend the ball and hit go around the nine and hit the long cushion and have the cue ball go back over towards the other half of the table on the left. And it's a good, even if you don't make the bank, you still have a good safety shot. And this shot could come up in a game of 8 ball or 9 ball where you're trying to play position for a ball up table. But I've showed this to a lot of pool players, and really every player I've ever shown, they really didn't know the shot. And this is a really neat shot to know. Now here's where the shot could come up in a game of 9 ball. I want to bank the 8 ball over in the corner and play position for the 9 up table. And like I said, you can't use enough left English or reverse English to kill the cue ball and keep it down there. I'm going to hit it super thin, bank the ball's draw, and go into the side cushion to go down for position for the 9 ball. Okay, here's a shot that could come up playing bank, pool, or one pocket. Okay, here's a really neat shot that comes up playing one pocket, but I've got a situation here I'm playing 8 ball. I can't see enough of the 8 ball to actually do a bank shot because the 5's in the way, to bank it in the corner. So I'm going to do a double kiss bank. The cue ball in the 8 is probably about a 30-degree angle here into the 8 ball, and I'm going to shoot directly into the 8 ball with lots of right spin, and it's going to double kiss and bank up into the left hand corner. And like I said, this is a common shot that comes up in one pocket a lot. Okay, this is the bank shot here that Vernon Elliott used to make this shot. His was more difficult. His was on down maybe another inch or so. But mine, I'm being a little tricky here. I've actually got it close to the point. So this actually gives you a little different angle. If it starts to go into that roundness of the point, it's not like banking it straight off the cushion. It changes the angle a little bit. So this is much easier than if you place it down an inch or so. Okay, now this is a really good shot that could come up playing one pocket here. This is my pocket up here. I'm going to bank the ball and actually go around 3 cushions to play position for the other 3 balls. So you could actually say if you needed 4 balls, you could win the match with this shot. And this is one of those super thin cut bank shots. Okay, now here's a situation. You're playing 8-ball last pocket, and if you notice, the 8-ball is hanging in the side pocket. Now I could possibly bank the 1 ball across in its side, but it's very, very difficult because you don't have much room at all, So what I'm going to do is play this 1 ball in the opposite side, and then I'm going to play the 8-ball in the same side pocket. And this is just showing you a shot that seems impossible until you see it.